Hello everyone. While solving the questions from CAT 2020 slot 1, I'll take a standard approach. I'll go through the basic approach first, and if there is any shortcut or any method or any way in which we could have solved the question in a much easier manner, then I'll discuss it after discussing the basic method. So let's get on with the question from CAT 2020 slot 1 that you've come for. A rather simple question from time, speed and distance again. Leaving home at the same time. Amal reaches office at 10:15 a.m. if he travels at 8 kilometers per hour and at 9:40 a.m. if he travels at 15 kilometers per hour. जितने बजे निकला, मुझे नहीं पता कितने बजे निकला, बट जितने भी बजे निकला उस टाइम से लेकर के 9:40 तक का टाइम लगता है अगर वो 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चले तो, और उसी टाइम से लेकर के 10:15 तक का टाइम लगता है, मतलब कितने मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा? 35 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा लगते हैं अगर 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चलता है तो. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? लीविंग होम एट 9:10. अच्छा, 9:10 पर निकल के एट व्हाट स्पीड must he travel so as to reach off it exactly at 10 am. यहां हमको ड्यूरेशन दिया है 9:10 से 10, मतलब 50 मिनट्स में ऑफिस पहुंचने के लिए क्या स्पीड होनी चाहिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. सो वी हैव सॉल्व्ड मेनी सच क्वेश्चंस, आई होप बाय नाउ, wherein the distance is constant because he is leaving from home and going to office every single time. So I'll just take this out from the board and I'll rewrite the question. Knowing that the distance is constant, speed and time will bear the relationship S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2 is equal to S3 T3 and so on. Now at 8 kilometers per hour and 15 kilometers per hour, we know that the time difference between these two journeys is 35 minutes. So if at 15 kilometers per hour that person takes x minutes, that is x by 60 hours, then at 8 kilometers per hour the person takes x plus 35 over 60 hours. At what speed, let's say s speed, should he travel so as to reach office in 50 minutes, that is 50 by 60 hours? This is the question. So I can, using this equation, write this data as 8 times x plus 35 over 60 equals 15 times x over 60 equals s times 50 over 60. Now 60 can be cancelled off from the denominator of each part of this equation, and therefore I can first take this part of the equation, solve for x, and then take this part of the equation, solve for s. So that's what I'm going to do. 8x plus 8 into 35, that's 280, equals 15x. That means x is equal to 40. Now substituting that here, I get 15 times 40 over 60 equals s times 50 over 60. That's 600 is equal to 50s, 50s is equal to 600, or s is equal to 12. That's the answer. Thank you.